A flooded riverbank reveals dangerous conditions where a large catfish silently patrols beneath dark water surface.
Subtle ripples expand outward, indicating movement below as unseen force disturbs sediment and shifts underwater debris slowly. A white Labrador approaches cautiously, entering shallow water, while investigating an unfamiliar scent carried through humid jungle air.
The Labrador advances deeper, unaware of lurking predator as water depth increases and visibility becomes significantly reduced.
Beneath the surface, a giant catfish aligns, silently tracking movement through vibration detection and subtle pressure changes.
The Labrador hesitates, sensing disturbance as water patterns shift unnaturally and surrounding currents begin tightening unpredictably nearby.
The Labrador attempts retreat toward shoreline, but resistance from turbulent water significantly reduces escape speed and control. Turbulent water intensifies resistance as the Labrador struggles forward, while unseen force continues applying pressure from below. The catfish makes closer contact, brushing against hind legs, while generating force that destabilizes posture and increases panic.
The Labrador loses partial footing as current strength increases, causing front limbs to scramble against unstable muddy surface.
Violent splashing continues as the Labrador attempts elevation, but surrounding force prevents upward movement and stability restoration.
The Labrador increases paddling effort, attempting directional escape, while resistance continues, limiting progress towards safer shallow ground.
A strong forward push is attempted as the Labrador extends reach toward bank, while resistance counters motion.
Contact with firmer ground occurs briefly, but pulling force immediately drags the Labrador backward into unstable water. The Labrador is dragged slightly deeper as surrounding water spirals intensely, increasing danger and reducing chances of immediate escape.
Grab the stick, buddy. Come on, grab it. Hold on.
We've located the dog on the rocks. The water is moving too fast for a shore approach. Stand by for extraction plan.
We have to move now. He can't hold on. I see it. Head for that shallow spot downstream.
Get the dog out of the water now. It's too dangerous. We need to move upstream quickly.
The Labrador attempts movement again, while rescuers prepare entry strategy, ensuring controlled approach without escalating underwater aggression.
A rope is retrieved from equipment bag as rescuers prepare controlled extraction method, minimizing risk during physical engagement.
The rope is uncoiled and positioned precisely, ensuring immediate deployment toward a target, while maintaining stability on slippery ground. Initial contact is made, but rope placement fails momentarily due to continuous movement and unstable surface conditions present.
Careful with the current. Move left. Okay, hold the rope steady.
Steady now. Keep paddling, pup. Dig in, we're gaining ground. Come on. Set your feet. Ready, pull.
Stable footing is established by rescuers as they prepare to counter strong resistance generated by underwater predator movement. A brief opportunity appears as the Labrador raises head, allowing improved targeting for securing rope around upper body. Rescuers initiate first controlled pull, applying steady force while monitoring rope stability and Labrador positioning within turbulent water. Forward movement begins briefly before strong opposing force from below counters pull, reducing progress toward shoreline safety.
The catfish reacts aggressively, increasing turbulence while applying counterforce that destabilizes extraction attempt and maintains underwater control.
Rescuers maintain tension while adjusting stance, ensuring balance on unstable mud before continuing controlled extraction effort. Rope tension increases securing chest position, while incremental forward movement brings Labrador slightly closer to firmer ground.
Rescuers increase pulling force collectively using body weight while maintaining coordination to overcome resistance from underwater force.
Dig in, pull! Heave! Harder, we've got it. Keep moving.
Rope angle is adjusted upward, reducing drag effect and improving lifting direction for more efficient extraction movement. The catfish maintains pressure, attempting downward pull while resisting extraction through sustained force beneath Labrador body. Front limbs approach firmer ground, providing temporary support, while extraction effort continues against ongoing resistance forces. Upper body rises further above water as adjusted pulling direction increases lifting efficiency against resisting underwater force.
Partial backward movement occurs, but rope tension prevents complete regression, maintaining controlled hold on Labrador position. Predator increases activity, making aggressive attempt to maintain hold while resisting final stages of extraction effort.
The catfish generates intense turbulence, forming vortex patterns that increase downward pressure and disrupt ongoing rescue attempt.
The Labrador remains on ground while rescuers secure position, ensuring safe distance from water and eliminating immediate danger. Full body clears waterline as Labrador reaches ground, while rescuers maintain rope tension, ensuring complete removal from danger.
Final aggressive underwater movement occurs, but fails to reverse extraction as rescuers maintain controlled pulling force.
Hind section begins emerging gradually, while remaining resistance decreases slightly, allowing continued extraction progress towards safety. Forward movement increases slightly, yet hind section remains restrained by persistent underwater force, limiting full extraction progress.
The Labrador exerts upward effort using front limbs attempting to assist extraction while maintaining grip on muddy surface.
A sudden counterforce pulls backward momentarily, reducing progress and increasing instability during critical extraction phase. The rope is loosened carefully, allowing normal breathing, while rescuers observe physical condition and responsiveness closely. Debris clears from facial area, allowing improved visibility as Labrador begins showing gradual signs of awareness returning.
There you go, nice and steady.
Good dog, you're safe now.
Limbs are inspected carefully, checking for fractures or injuries, while maintaining minimal movement to avoid further stress. A dry surface is placed beneath body, reducing heat loss and supporting stabilization during early recovery phase. Breathing rate begins stabilizing gradually, indicating reduced stress, while rescuers continue monitoring vital signs consistently.
Remaining mud is removed carefully, improving comfort while allowing clearer inspection of skin and fur condition.
All secure? Yes. Ready to move.
Front limb movement improves gradually, indicating returning strength and neurological response after intense physical stress.
Easy, easy, we got you.
Gotcha.
Just relax, you're doing fine.
Rescuers reduce support gradually, allowing independent balance, while ensuring immediate assistance remains available if required. The Labrador maintains seated position, while breathing stabilizes further, and environmental awareness begins returning gradually.
Head movement improves gradually as awareness increases, allowing the Labrador to observe surroundings with growing stability.
The Labrador attempts standing, shifting weight onto limbs while maintaining caution due to remaining physical weakness.